Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks with Sarah. I'm your host, Sarah, and today, oh man, I'm excited. We're talking about something that's been everywhere lately, MCP, or Model Context Protocol. And joining me is my good friend and tech genius, Blake. Hey Blake.
Hey Sarah, thanks for having me. Yeah, MCP, this thing's seriously changing the game right now.
I keep seeing it pop up all over my feed. So for everyone who's still like, what the heck is MCP? Can you break it down for us in human words?
Totally. So MCP, think of it as a universal translator for AIs. You know how every system or model kind of speaks its own weird language? MCP helps them talk to each other in a shared, secure way.
So it's like an interpreter, but for your AI systems.
Exactly. And it's smart. It doesn't just pass messages, it actually shares context. That's what makes it powerful.
Whoa, okay, so it's not just connecting things, it's connecting understanding.
Bingo. And what's really crazy right now is how fast MCP adoption's growing. Like, seriously, every big tech player is in. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta, they're all building or integrating MCP in some form.
It feels like there's an MCP for everything now. I saw one for project management, another one for creative tools, even something for like inventory automation.
Yep, it's getting wild. There's an MCP for analytics, CRM systems, data pipelines, literally everything. It's like the internet of AIs now.
That's kind of awesome and a little scary. But you know, a lot of people might be thinking, wait, if everything's connected, doesn't that mean security is a nightmare?
Yeah, totally fair question. But that's actually one of MCP's strengths. Secure MCP servers are built with encryption, authentication tokens, and context isolation. So even though the systems are talking, they're not spilling secrets.
Okay, good. So it's not a digital free-for-all.
Nope, far from it. It's more like your AIs are having a private meeting behind closed doors. Only the invited ones can join.
I love that. And I guess that's why companies are going all in on this MCP thing, because it actually makes their AI work together instead of in silos, right?
Exactly. Less duplication, faster workflows, smarter decisions. It's saving companies time, money, and headaches.
So basically, if you're not using MCP yet, you're kind of falling behind.
Pretty much. I mean, the tools are here. The standard's open, and you can even build your own if your system is proprietary. Or, and this is what a lot of people are doing, you can just hire someone to make a custom one for you.
Oh yeah! For those listening, we dropped a link in the video description to some Fiverr gigs where experts can build you a custom MCP. So, if you've been wanting to integrate AI into your workflow, that's literally the easiest way to start.
Totally. Like, no excuses at this point. The future's already here, and it's powered by MCP.
All right, I gotta ask, what do you guys think? Have you seen MCP in action yet? And if not, seriously, what's stopping you? Why not start now?
Yeah, don't wait for someday, because someday's already happening.
Thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Blake.
And this was Tech Talks with Sarah. See you next time.